Today's topic is what is installing and configuring computer systems. Hey guys, I am Sui Mavi from IT Professional YouTube channel. I create daily awesome video for IT professional. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for latest update. Installing and configuring computer systems is another key responsibility of IT support professionals. This can involve setting up new computers, laptops, servers, or other devices, as well as configuring operating systems, software applications, and network connections. When installing a new computer system, IT support professionals will typically begin by unpacking the hardware and connecting all of the necessary cables and peripherals. They will then power on the system and run through the initial setup process, which may include configuring basic settings such as the date and time, and creating user accounts. Once the basic setup is complete, IT support professionals will then begin configuring the operating system. This can include installing updates, configuring security settings, and setting up network connections. They may also need to install and configure additional hardware such as printers or external storage devices. After the system is set up and configured, IT support professionals will test the system to ensure that it is working properly and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. They will also provide training and support to users to help them understand how to use the new system effectively. In addition to installing and configuring new systems, IT support professionals may also be responsible for maintaining and updating existing systems. This can include applying software updates and patches, monitoring system performance, and troubleshooting any issues that may arise.